All right, it's been a very successful day. Once we got going and got the material mixes just right, given the temperatures outside, you can kind of see it happening right there. We're running through just a particular, a single yard of concrete to go through this process. We are making some very large objects. We did have to reset it once, not because of a material or equipment failure, but because we had a design error that we made a mistake in. Got that swapped out and are reprinting again. So one of the things, I guess, kind of the big one that you see over there, it's going to be like roughly a 4-foot diameter, a 6-inch deep plate that we're kind of working on for a fountain design. It's going to be quite heavy to move, actually, but it has been a very big success today. The printer has worked flawlessly, materials flowing. Didn't have a lot of temperature issues because it's about 40 degrees outside, so it's fairly stable on the outside components. We're actually nearing the end of our print and we'll start the cleanup process. But overall, a great run. One of the major improvements was the modifications we did to the hoses and also the silo to get that powder moving. It's actually working super well at this point in time, just a little bit loud. But otherwise, it's been a great experience for us overall and a great printing day. So again, thanks for watching, and glad to say that we've got some good results to share and more to come. We'll see you.